Well, hey there everybody. Hey, it's been a little while since I posted a video, getting used to a different work schedule, working swing shift, and I needed to post a video and let you guys know about a big mistake that I made with my pepper plants in my new greenhouse. Not this one. Yep, that one over there. And it has to do with wind. So normally I use a small fan, or I have a fan like up here and the door's open to get some air circulation. But how much air is too much air or wind on your pepper plants? These are all healthy. These are late starts. I went and had some little teeny tiny starts at the end of April of Trinidad scorpions, and I knew that it was too late to sell them at the market because they just wouldn't grow big enough and produce. But these are doing great in here because I have them in a greenhouse. But it gets hot in the greenhouse, so I got the door open on the greenhouse. I have both vents open. I have a fan that's blowing air out that keeps the air circulating, plus natural wind coming in. And then I also have some Guam Booney peppers over here. Already harvested off of these. These are getting really close to start turning. So these are all happy plants. My problem is in my other greenhouse. Let's go over and take a look. So right here I have a couple Carolina Reaper plants. And as you can see on these Reapers, all the leaves are basically been knocked down. Same thing here, Trinidad scorpions, it's getting a little less as I go this way. And that's because right here, turn the camera for you. Right here I have a big fan. And I had this thing going. Of course, I got my solar and everything, so I got my batteries over there charging them. But this is a lot of wind. So really crazy. Crazy amount of wind going on these plants. And it was getting hot, so I was thinking, oh yeah, I need to get some air on them. But it was, you know, basically killing the lower half of my plants. I got a couple flowers up here, but this is a lot of wind. Over here on the Trinidads, I've gotten a few peppers off the Trinidads, and these are some pretty good scorpions. I'm not going to touch them with my hands because I just don't want to burn myself, so I'm not going to actually open up the baggie and get any capsaicin on me, because these are second hottest peppers around. But this fan has just been going ballistic on these. Normally I use a smaller fan, something like this one here. This one doesn't put out a lot of wind. Oh, turn that all the way off. So from a distance, this doesn't do that much. It still circulates the air, which is a good thing. But yeah, it just totally wasted my peppers inside this place. And these were pepper plants that were started in January, and I feel like with these two Trinidads, or excuse me, with these two Carolina Reapers here, I wasted months because I started these things beginning of January. You know, luckily I got a few out of the Trinidads over here, a few peppers, and there's still peppers growing on it that need to get harvested. But I just feel like I really made a big mistake with these. What I did do was I went lower and got a smaller fan that rotates, and I put it down low because I don't have anything growing down on the bottom here. I wanted to do most of my plants outside for my second harvest for the peppers. After I get my peppers outside in, I'm going to put them down below my little greenhouse area. Give you a shot of that really quick. So I'm going to be putting a whole bunch of peppers down in this area from outside after I get my first harvest. It's still beginning of September, so we're pretty good. And all my outside peppers are just doing great. Even done a few harvests on them. Anyhow, I just figured I'd share that with you. Need to have enough air for circulation, but you don't want constant air hitting your plants back and forth every day, because this will happen to them. Anyhow, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching. Happy gardening. Have a great day.